Hi, my name is Steve Thomas, and I'm a Security and Compliance Technical Specialist at Microsoft. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for September 2023. Today, we'll show you how to multitask and stay organized with ease using multiple desktops at Windows 11. Let's start with a look at a few highlights from this month's update. We've made several improvements to search functionality. First, we've improved the reliability of the search app. Then, have you noticed that search does not open when you select the search icon after your machine has been asleep? Well, we've addressed that issue for you. Next, this update adds a new hover behavior to the search box gleam. When you hover over it, the search flyout box appears. Want to change this behavior? Just right-click the taskbar, then choose Taskbar Settings to change your search box experience. For Surface Pro and Surface Book users, we've addressed an issue that affects the search box size when you're in tablet posture mode. And if you browse search results using the Tab key or similar function in a screen reader, you'll notice a smoother, more seamless experience. Our next improvement is to Narrator. It now correctly identifies the search box on the taskbar and search highlights within the search box. And finally, this update supports daylight savings time changes in Israel. Want to explore more from this update? See the Highlights and Improvements section of the August 2023 preview and the September 2023 Security Update articles. Now, on to this month's tip. Do you work on several projects at once? Find yourself shifting through browsers, tabs, or clicking between tools and apps as you switch tasks? Looking for a better way to separate personal projects from work or school? Well, with Windows 11, you can create multiple customized desktops on one device and switch between them with ease. To create a new desktop, simply select the Task View icon on the taskbar, then select New Desktop, or bypass Task View and press Windows key plus Control plus D. Welcome to your new desktop. Open the apps you want to use and you're on your way. To switch between desktops, you have two options. Select the Task View icon and select the desired desktop, or use the Windows key plus Control plus the left or right arrow to quickly switch from one desktop to another. Don't see the Task View icon? Right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Switch the toggle for Task View to On. If you use a picture for your desktop background, you can select a different one for each desktop to help you quickly identify it. In Task View, right-click on the desktop you want to modify and select Choose Background. Select from your recent images or select Choose a Photo to pick a new one. Want to rename your new desktop? Same idea. In Task View, right-click on the desktop you want to rename and select Rename. Type in the new name and hit Enter, or click outside Task View to save your changes. Need to move an open app from one desktop to another? Click the Task View icon, then hover over the desktop with the open application. Click and drag the app to the desired desktop. Repeat as desired. Are there Windows 11 features you'd like to know more about? Send us your feedback in the section provided in this article. You can also leave us a comment on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.